In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you would be directed to the control panel window. We need to proceed with the view by. Click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, please proceed for the location thing for network and sharing center, which is in my case, it is being seen here at the third column next to indexing options. So click on it, and in that way you would be able to see this kind of window where you can view your basic network information and set up connections. Here you need to proceed to the left pane where you can see change adapter settings. Click on it so that you would be able to see the network connection window where you can see all of the network cable, the Wi-Fi that you have been connecting to. Okay, so please select on the Wi-Fi, make a right click and go with this option called status. Click on it. And once you have bring up this small window, which is the Wi-Fi status, there you can see details and wireless properties. So we need to proceed to the wireless properties. And here you can see security. Click on it. And under that, you can see their security type, encryption type, and network security key. So this is the Wi-Fi password that you have in your Windows. So all you need to do is you need to uncheck the box. Okay, let me just click on cancel since I have accidentally set it. Okay, so go with security, and when you check the box, you would be able to view the password that you have in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. In my case, I don't want to, but if you would like to view it, just uncheck the box and you would be able to view it. So close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.